Today, we're making teriyaki salmon. This is a delicious recipe for lunch and dinner, so let's get cooking. Mix 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of teriyaki sauce, 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, and about 1/6 of a cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. We'll crush 3 cloves of garlic, and mince 1 tablespoon of ginger. We'll cut our salmon fillets into about 2-inch wide pieces and marinate overnight. For our veggies, we'll slice a carrot and about half a head of cabbage. When we're ready, we'll lay the salmon onto a foil-covered tray and broil for about 8 to 12 minutes, about 8 inches from the broiler. While that cooks, we can cook our veggies. When the salmon is done, we can just repeat the process with the remaining salmon. Now that everything's ready, we can begin to plate. Each serving will get some rice, cabbage, and salmon. This is a great balance of veggies and protein. And for the final touch, we'll sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Whether it's lunch or dinner, this salmon tastes amazing. Let me know in the comments below what foods you want to see next.